In today's complex business environment, effective board leadership is a key driver of organizational success. Did you know that companies with high-performing boards outperform their peers by up to 30%? Without proper board leadership skills, organizations face significant risks, including poor decision-making, lack of strategic direction, and governance failures. Individuals, on the other hand, lack the knowledge and skills to contribute effectively at the board level, hindering their career advancement and professional development. Are you concerned about the potential risks and costs associated with ineffective board leadership? Are you struggling to keep up with ever-changing governance best practices and regulatory requirements? Our board leadership training program is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills necessary to excel in board leadership roles. Through comprehensive training, you'll learn how to navigate the complexities of board governance, foster effective decision-making, and provide strategic direction. For organizations, this course offers improved governance practices, enhanced risk management, and increased stakeholder trust and confidence. For individuals, you'll gain in-demand board leadership skills, the ability to contribute effectively at the highest levels, and a competitive edge in the job market. Elevate your organization's board leadership and unlock sustainable growth. Enroll now and become a board leadership pro.